Well, it ain't much of an update. I have got a little bit done to this thing, but I have been pressured about getting everything ready for Acme. Today is Thursday. What's today's date? Thursday the 23rd, I believe it is. Hold on, next day was 23rd. Today's the 24th. Thursday the 24th, October 24th, 2024. Tomorrow's my birthday. Man, getting old, man. I feel it too. Shoulders. Had a shoulder surgery on this shoulder. It still gives me problems. They say after you have surgery, it's never the same. Pretty sure they're right, because it's not. I have to go get like a cortisone shot in it, maybe once a year. That kind of calms it down. This shoulder hurts because I got neck problems, but anyway, it's enough about me complaining about myself. Been working hard. I had to take off today from work to get all the loose ends tied up for Acme. And I was planning on getting out here and finishing this thing, this Monza, but that hasn't happened. I feel like my voice is going away. But I will at least show you what I've gotten done. It's looking really good. It's going to be a cool looking little car. As far as the body, there's not much to it. It's just a body with a few extra parts, but I do like get the white walls painted and stuff like that. I'll turn the camera around and show you that stuff. I just want to do a quick update. Hope to see you at Acme. I don't know if this video is going to go out tonight or not, so hopefully I'll get it uploaded tonight. And if you guys are in the driving distance of Cartersville, Georgia, which is just north of Atlanta, it's about 40 minutes north of Atlanta. Man, I'd encourage you to get out and go to the Acme Southern Nationals at the Clarence Brown Convention Center. It is a great show. I think it starts at 9 a.m. I think it is. General admission. I don't remember if you have to pay to go in the show or not, but I know if you have a model, you do. But anyway, it is a wonderful show. Wonderful people that put that show on, and I've looked forward to it all year. And had a lot of work to do though to get ready for it because of trying to replenish or to make everything to carry to the show. It's been a lot of work, but I've got everything loaded up. It's ready to pull out, and I wanted to do a quick update on this. So let me turn the camera around and we'll check it out. All right, so the body is painted. It's the only thing I haven't done is the little hood emblem and the Monza on the trunk, and then do probably some chrome around the tail light bezels. I don't know if they had chrome around them or not, because I don't have a rear picture, and I haven't looked up any pictures of this car, like real pictures, to see. But the body, the paint turned out like glass. That has no clear coat on it. That's just MCW enamel. It's one of the better finishes without anything else. I've not buffed it or nothing. That's just it. And it is, like I say, it's as smooth as glass. It really doesn't have a lick of orange peel in it anywhere. Another one that I did that had just a wonderful paint job with no clear coat. I do like the clear coat, but it's the Mercedes here. That was that has no clear coat on it either, and it was just the nicest paint job that I'd done without any 2K clear. That one got in the magazine once or twice. It's a nice car, but the body is done. I got my panel line. I didn't want to use black panel liner. Sometimes that's a little too aggressive. I did on the vents, but on some of these other panel lines, I just used gray. That right there, it doesn't look like gray if you shake it up. But I just used gray. And then around the hood, it just wasn't dark enough, so I added a little black. And then I thought, man, I wish I hadn't done that, because it made it stand out a little bit too much. But I did all the panel lines. And like I say, that paint just looks so good. I'm so proud of that one. I got a little bit on the dash. That's all I'm going to do to it. I just put some little gray panel liner in the dash. In the gauges, they're so darn little you couldn't do anything with them anyway. I painted my seat belts gray. I'm going to put the buckles, I'll put chrome on the buckles, Still have to do the windshield. I think what I'm going to do is tape it off and paint the outside with chrome paint. I think that's what I want to do there. And I did my white walls. They turned out pretty good. I took, oh, here it is. See on this DeWalt drill here, I just took an old paintbrush, because the metal end on the paintbrush is tapered, and just stuck them right on there and got them as true as I could, because they had a little wobble to them. They'd be like wobbling. So I'd try to true it up, and they turned out nice. Very, very happy with them. They're not perfect, but they turned out nice. I just spun them and took my paintbrush. I used Insignia White Tamiya lacquer. It dries really fast, and it's not like stark white, so I was able to do that. Interior's just black, and I did get the chassis painted. I taped off the front that was red, and what I have to do now is just chrome my bumpers and my chrome pieces. The rest of them are over here. I did a little sanding on the rims, so I got to clean them up, get them primed, coated with gloss black paint, and then I'll shoot them with chrome. But that's pretty much it, other than just working really hard to get everything. I got to take a break. That's what I got to do. I'm the kind of guy who likes to stay busy. Hold on, let me turn the camera back around. So yeah, I'm the kind of guy who I don't like to, oh man, that's shaking bad. I don't like to just, I don't come home and sit on the couch and watch television till it's time to go to bed. I can't do that. That's just not me. I will go in as early as I can, and you know, me and Ellie like to watch Newhart. Remember that show? I grew up watching that show with hi, I'm Larry, this is my brother Daryl, this is my other brother Daryl. That show, and we'll watch about 2 episodes. They're like 23 minutes long, and we'll watch a couple of episodes of that before bed. And but I generally don't just sit and watch TV. So what I'm trying to say is I'm about to kill myself. Not like, don't take that wrong, I didn't say I'm going to kill myself. If I keep this up, man, I'm going to have a heart attack or something. I like staying busy, but sometimes I push it to the level that starts to make my body just, I can tell I'm tired. So we'll get a good night's rest tonight. Head out in the morning up to Cartersville, Georgia, which is probably 5 hours for us. And at 4 p.m. we're able to get in there and get set up. So I'll take all of our MCV product stuff. Me and Heather, we'll go get it all set up. And I don't think we can't put our cars on the tables the night before, but we'll do that first thing in the morning. And it'll be a busy day in Cartersville, Georgia. It'll be a lot of fun. Those days tend to be very forgetful for me. Have a hard time focusing anyway. And with everything going on, you know, like bam, 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 bam. At the end of the day, I'm like, man, what happened? And wish I could kind of slow down a little bit and soak it in a little bit better. A lot of times, I don't even get a chance to really look at the cars on display except through the lens on a camera. But I'm not going to not do that. I've just got to manage my time a little bit more. But then I think, you know, what time? You know, every second of the day was busy doing something. So I'm going to try, man, to pay more attention to what's going on and the builds. I'd love to talk to more people that have their builds on the tables, but it just seems like there's not enough day with everything else that goes on. I like to film the vendors. I want to film the cars. Filming those cars is a feat. There's almost, close to 1,000 cars last year, or close to 900 last year. So to get in there and actually film a few seconds of every car, you gotta imagine that's like, let's see, 2 times 900. That would be 1,800 seconds. There's 60 seconds in a minute. I don't know, but it's not just that. It's even longer than that, because some of them, you stick around a little bit longer on. So hopefully I can see you guys there tomorrow, and it's gonna be fun. Or on Saturday, rather, not tomorrow. The 26th is the show. So yeah, head out to Cartersville, Georgia, Clarence Brown Conference Center. You can go to the Acme. You can Google search Acme 2024 Southern Nationals, and their website will come up, and it'll give you all the information you need. But anyway, it's gonna be a good day. But thanks for all you do, guys. I appreciate you. Maybe I'll get to see some of you guys that I've never met before. I know there's going to be some that I've never met that have already told me they're going to be there, so I look forward to that. And yeah, be a busy day, but it's going to be a fun day. I really look forward to it. The guys there at Acme are great. Wayne Weber's and just everybody that puts on that show is just top quality, top notch, and it's really nice. So anyway, Monza, when I get back, I will finish this thing up and get it out the door, or get it on the shelf, and start something else. This has been a really quick one, although not really. You know, most guys could kick this thing out in about 2 days. It took me now about 2 weeks, but that's because it's only got like 18 parts. I didn't count the parts, but I'm just guesstimating. It's like, it can't be more than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. It's like 24 possibly. 24 pieces. So it's bigger than I thought. Okay, give me some time. Anyway, all right, guys. Take care. See you later, and talk to you soon.